Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today, we're diving into epic theatre, the style that broke the rules, broke the fourth wall, and tried to break the audience out of their comfort zone. Epic theatre was developed in the 1920s and 30s, mostly by Bertolt Brecht in Germany. It was a reaction against naturalism, melodrama, and emotional theatre. Brecht believed theatre should challenge society, not comfort it. He didn't want audiences to cry. He wanted them to say, "Hang on, why is the world like this?" Epic theatre used a range of techniques to interrupt the illusion and make sure the audience never forgot that they were watching a play. These techniques are called the Verfremdungseffekt or the Alienation effect. In it, you will see direct address, where characters talk to the audience; multi-rolling, one actor plays several roles; placards, signs that introduce scenes or ideas; songs that interrupt action and reflect on events; minimal set, no realism, just the essentials; and visible lighting and scene changes. There was no attempt to hide the mechanics. All of it was designed to stop the audience getting too emotionally involved and to keep them thinking critically. Brecht lived through world wars, fascism, and injustice. He believed theatre had a job to do: to question power, expose inequality, and inspire change. In plays like Mother Courage and The Caucasian Chalk Circle, Brecht explored themes of war, capitalism, morality, and survival, all while reminding the audience, this is a play. Now what are you going to do about it? Epic theatre has shaped political theatre, physical theatre, and even film. It reminds us that theatre isn't just about escape. It can also be a call to action. Epic theatre didn't just want your attention, it wanted your mind. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.